What's up, guys? This is my 1980 Monte Carlo. It didn't always look like this, but that's a story for another day. Today, we're gonna finish the trunk, finish installing the stereo, finish installing the trunk panels, make it look pretty. Come on, let's go. Hop in.
Perfect.
What's up, guys? So I'm back in the shop today and we're working on the Monte. Yeah, sick, right? Okay, so I finally bought some stereo for it. Two 10-inch kicker, I don't know, they're cheap, 300 watts or whatever, just to fill the hole so I can finally complete this trunk situation. I'll put some lights in there in a minute so you can actually see what's going on. I chopped up a bunch of panels, you know, fitment, got them all fitting right, wrapped them with fur, black fur, because I started this a long time ago and that was just what I went with then. Air ride's all hidden except for the tank. All the wires and everything will be all hidden. Box is going in, covers going in. Anyways, this is basically just unboxing of some stereo. Stickers, probably find a place to put those, even though they're be better if they were white. Hey, wrong way. JBL subwoofer amplifier. Holy sh! Look at the book it comes with. It's like as thick as a car manual. There's that much know about this little 300 watt amp. Wow. Well, nice. Yeah, see, I was concerned about the width. So I was using a little test amp before just to measure basic width for whether it will fit on the top of the box and then still slide. It's a pretty nice looking amp. Kind of off topic in the light again. Nice little piece. Looks like it'll do the trick. 220 watt amp, so if you times that by 10, that's 400 basically. And yeah, it said on the sheet 420 RMS. Got them bolted in. Yeah, yeah, boy.
Perfect.
Just installing the final finish panel. Just had to adjust the amp. Oh yeah, just like that. Oh, looks sick. Oh yeah, that's sick. Yeah, that's a final look at the trunk there. So there's a jack, a spare tire, subs, amp, full air ride kit, side panels completely enclosed, and there's still enough room to get groceries and car parts. So that's sick. What's up, guys? So basically, right when I was done installing the stereo in the Monte, I went to go start it and pull it out, and it wouldn't start. So yeah, you can't make that up, really. So I troubleshot it, and I got to the bottom of it. It ended up being the fuel pump. So there's a little clip in this video of me actually dropping the fuel tank and doing a little bit of stuff to the fuel pump. it start. Oh yeah, boy. Yeah. Jump. Jump. Fixed it.